Let's will start the new chapters, the 4 chapters of our book. First part, chemical bonding and molecular structures. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास first question आया होता है, what is chemical bonding? So chemical bonding we'll discuss in this chapter as well as structure of the molecule. What is the structure of molecules? So here you have seen जो matter होता है, matter is made up of one or more types of elements, and further under the normal conditions they are forming the molecules. When two atoms combine together they are form the molecules, and जो molecules होते हैं they are bonding together with a particular bond. उनके बीच में जो force of attraction होता है, the normal conditions no other elements can be exist in the form of atoms except the noble gases. तो यहाँ पर जो है हमारे पास molecules होते हैं when two atoms are combined together to form molecules. So obviously the force which are binding the constant particles or constant atom together in a molecules, जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं a bond. So chemical bond हमारे पास एक form होता है, the force of attraction which bind the constant particles will be ions atoms together in a particular atoms or compound are known as chemical bond. The attractive force which hold or bind various constituents, atoms and etc. Together in a different chemical species is called a chemical bond. जो कि हमारे पास different types of ions और atoms को bind करके रखा है in the different together in a different species is called chemical bond. So यहाँ पर chemical bond form हो रहा है. So formation of chemical compounds chemical compounds takes place as a result formations of atoms together of the elements in a different ways. जहाँ पर it is raises many questions कि why do atoms are combined, why do some atoms only some atoms are combined, why do some atoms are combined but other atoms are not combined. So many questions are arising in this one. So this questions answer is given by the different theories. सबसे पहले जो था वो था Cosel's and Lewis concept. Cosel's and Lewis concept. दूसरा था Vesper theory. थर्ड था आपके पास valence bond theory. फोर्थ था आपके molecular orbital theory. On the basis of that, we can explain the answer of these questions one by one. Valence shell, electron pair repulsion, जिसे आप बोलते हैं वेस्पर थ्योरी. Now Levity, valence bond theory, then MOT, molecular orbital theory. These are the theory. On the basis of this theory you can give the answer of these questions. Different questions arising, so you can give answer on the basis of this theory. So first we'll start Cosel and Lewis structure. Cosel-Lewis approach to chemical bonding. In order to explain the formation of chemical bond on the basis of electrons, many atoms are given, but the atoms which are given by Cosel and Lewis in 1916 were satisfactory, and they have given the reasonable concept on the basis of the inertness of noble gas. जो है कोसल एंड लुइस ने जो दिया था इनर्टनेस के बेसिस पे दिया था, जो नोबल गैस है उसके बेसिस पे. सो रिजनेबल था. Many scientists have attained, but only the Cosel and Lewis given this approach for the chemical bonding of the element. This is given on the basis of inertness of noble gas. So Lewis pictured the atoms in the term of positively charged, जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं kernels. पॉजिटिवली चार्ज टर्म्स में दिया, जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं कर्नेल्स. कर्नेल्स मतलब जो हमारे पास न्यूक्लियस है और इनर शेल जो होता है, इनर शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन जो होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज कर्नेल्स. जो कि सबसे न्यूक्लियस के सबसे पहले जो सेल होता है वो आपके पास होता है इनर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. So Lewis pictured the atoms in the term of positively charged terms, positive charge canals, जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियस एंड द प्लस, and they could accommodate 8 electrons in the outermost shells. So जो 8 electrons accommodate हो रहे हैं, they assume that these 8 electrons in the cube occupied the corners of the cube. So like in sodium atoms contain 1 electron in outermost shell, so the sodium ions accommodate only 1 corners of the cube, while the noble gases accommodate 8, because noble gas contain 8 electrons except the helium, they contain 8 electrons in outermost shell. So these 8 electrons accommodate the 8 corners of the cubes. Means outermost shell of the noble gas is fully completed. There is no free electron in the outermost shells. So they accommodate 8 electrons. In these 8 electrons represent the 8 corners. Means जो noble gases है उसमें 8 electrons जो रहेंगे outermost, they occupy the 8 corners. Means in a cube, corners of the cube. So जो आप लोग represent कर रहे हो structures on the basis of the bond. So these 8 atoms जो electrons हैं, they are definitely linked together by a chemical bond. हम लोग देखें in case of sodium chloride, तो sodium chloride form होगा by the transfer of electrons. Means sodium lose 1 electrons to form sodium plus ion by losing the electrons, and chlorine gain 1 electron by take extra electrons. So maybe they are forming the bond by the transfer of electrons and forming the cation as well as anion, both sodium ion and chloride ion. Sodium ion and chloride ion. It will lose the electron, loss of electron, and it is gain of electron. So जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है लूज करेगा सोडियम, उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लोरीन गेन करेगा, and they are forming the salt NaCl. So they are forming the bond. So जो ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है from one atom to another atom, it is known as ionic bond. Only this bond is formed between metals and non-metals. Completely transfer of electron from one species to another species or one atom to another atom are known as ionic bond. Or ionic bond always formed between the metals and non-metals. Other hand बात करें हम लोग like chlorine, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. They are bind together by a covalent bond, and covalent bond always form between the two non-metals. So covalent bond means sharing of electrons, a pair of electrons shared between the two atoms, bonded atoms. वो होता है पास covalent bond. So here chlorine, fluorine or hydrogen, nitrogen, they are binding together with the covalent bonds. So this is the chemical bonding. Covalent जो आपके पास chemical bonding है और covalent bonding है, generally they are forming the they are sharing the electron by sharing, losing or gaining electrons, because they will complete their octet to get the stable electronic configuration like noble gases. That's why they are losing, gaining or sharing the electrons. तो वहां पर आपके पास जो है न्यू टर्म्स आ जाएगी लुईस सिंबल. अनदर वन इज लुईस सिंबल. Lewis symbol. The formation of in the formation of bond only the outermost in the Lewis cell, Lewis symbols, in the formation of bond only the valence or outermost electron take part in the formation of bond, जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं valence electrons, and this जो shell होता है outermost shell उसे बोलता है valence shells. So they have given structures जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं valence shells. So जो G.N. Lewis and another one American scientist have given a simple way to represent the elements with their pairs or valence electrons, जिसे हम बोलते हैं Lewis structures. Lewis structures are Lewis symbols. So like hydrogen contain 1 electron, lithium contain 1 electron. In this one जो न्यूक्लियस होता है और इनर शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं do not take part in the bond formations. Inner shells like sodium there are 3 shells. There are 3 shells in sodium. So inners contain 2 electrons, then this is 8 electrons and this one is 1 electrons. So only outermost shells take part in the bond formation. Inner one do not take part. They will not disturb, are not used in the bond formation. Only the valence electron are used in the bond formation. Inner electrons जो होंगे disturb नहीं होंगे. Okay, so they are form the chemical bond by transfer of electron or by losing or gaining the electrons. So they are forming the bond and some giving the some Lewis symbols like different helium, hydrogen, helium. This is the exceptions. Noble is okay. Then 2 electrons duplet, it will complete the duplet, but other noble cases complete the octet. Then sodium. Then you can say beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, then neon. These are the valence electron. These are the valence electron on the particular atom. जो हमारे पास inner shell electrons होते हैं, they are protected and not involved in the bond formations. So here J.N. Lewis and American scientists are given the general notations, simple notations for representing the elements or atoms with the valence electron, जिसे बोला जाता है Lewis symbols. Here is like hydrogen के पास एक dot है, dot is indicating, this dot is indicating the one valence electron, one electron present in the outermost shells. So in the different periods and different groups have different number of valence electrons. हम लोग बात करें like these periods की बात करें, so these are second period elements. They are कार्बन के पास 4 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है, नाइट्रोजन के पास 5, ऑक्सीजन के पास 6 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, फ्लोरीन के पास 7 और नियॉन के पास 8 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. So they are represented by the dot, जिसे हम बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. Of Lewis symbols. So the dot are present around the symbols is representing the valence electrons around the जो symbols है उसके आसपास. So they are giving the general or common group valence electrons. So this valence you can calculate it by equal to 8 or 8 minus number of valence electron present. In the basis of that you can find out the valences. Like हमारे पास metals जो होंगी, so इनके पास जो होंगी they are losing the electrons. So जितने इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर रहे हैं वो उसकी वैलेंसीज होगी. और नॉन मेटल्स के केस में देखें हम लोग, so 8 minus the number of valence electrons present in the outermost shells. So on the basis of that you can find out the valencies of the element. Some are the following facts. Kaushal in relation to chemical bonding drew attention to the following facts. Some are the facts जो Kaushals ने दिए थे. तो पहला फैक्ट था इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल कि जो हाईली इलेक्ट्रो एलिमेंट्स, हाईलो इलेक्ट्रो नेगेटिव एलिमेंट्स, हैलोजन एटम्स एंड highly electropositive alkali metals are separated by the noble gases. पहला जो फैक्ट था जो दिया था कोसेल ने कि in the periodic table highly electronegative elements, halogens and highly electropositive elements like alkali metals are separated by noble gas. This is the first fact. Second one, the formation of negative ion from halogen atoms and formation of positive ion from the alkali metals, they are formed by losing or gaining, gain or loss by electrons from the respective atoms. This is the second point. Now we'll see the third point. The third point is the negative and positive ion are formed. They are stabilized by the losing or gaining the electrons, and they are attained by losing the electron or by the gaining the electron. They are attaining the stable electronic configuration like noble gas. Helium is accretion in which duplet is completed, and general electronic configurations होगा when they are by losing and gaining the electrons, means they are completed their octet. तो होगा आपके पास NS2 NP6, they are contain this one. और next जो point है fourth कि जो आपके पास negative ion and positive ion जो form होता है, they are binding together with the electrostatic force of attractions. they are bind together with the electrostatic force of attraction. Next, fourth point already we discussed, negative ion and positive ion stabilize only by electrostatic force, electric attraction of force. एग्जाम्पल देखें हम लोग सोडियम क्लोराइड की बात करें, सो Na and this is the chlorine. So electronic configuration is 281 and here is 287. So here you can write in 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, and here is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. This is the electronic configurations. So here is 1 electron in sodium and 7 valence electron in chlorine. Sodium want to complete their octet. So it have two ways, either it will lose 1 electron or gain 7 electron. Similarly, the condition is for chlorine atom. Either it will lose 7 electron or gain 1 electrons. So it is a better way when sodium lose 1 electron. Sodium lose 1 electron and form sodium ion by losing electrons. यहाँ था आपके पास 281 और यहाँ हो जाएगा आपके पास 28, मतलब स्टेबल हो गया सोडियम. For the chlorine accept 1 electron losing by sodium, so it will form chloride ion. 287, here we get 288. So now both elements complete their octet, both are satisfied, but they are forming a bond. Transfer of electron from one atom to another atom, जिसे आप लोग बोलते हो chemical ionic bonds, will represent in this way. Sodium outermost share 1 electrons, chlorine outermost shell have 7 electrons. So this electron transfer to this one. So transfer of electrons to form sodium ion and chloride ion. NaCl. Equal number of positive and negative charge cancel each other and the salt is formed is neutral. So complete transfer of electron from one species to another species, वो आपके पास ionic bond होगा. और ये आपके पास जो है completely transfer of electron हो जाएगा. Losing the electron, they will complete the octet. Sodium also complete the octet by losing the electron. Chlorine also complete their octet by gaining the electrons. Means both the elements are achieve the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. This is the formation of calcium chloride is shown here. Calcium 2882, fluorine 27. So here is 2 extra electron, it will require 1 electrons to complete the octet. Means calcium के पास 2 extra electrons है और fluorine require 1 electrons. So we have left only 1 electron, that's why we take the 2 atoms of fluorine. So here calcium argon 18 होता है and 4s2 20. Then it is helium 1s2 2s2 2p5. So here calcium lose electron to form 2 plus ion by losing the 2 electron. Here is calcium 2882. It will lose 2 electron to achieve the stable electron configuration. And fluorine will take 2 fluorine. So 2,7 will take 2 electron. Those are given by calcium. It will form 2 fluoride ion. 2,8. So they will complete their octet by losing and gaining the electron. A complete transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom is forming the bond, जिसे आप लोग बोलते हो ionic bond. Now the bond is formed as the electrostatic force between the positive ion and negative ion, जिसे आप लोग बोलते हो electrovalent bond. The bond which are formed between the positive and negatively, the force of attractions present between are binding the positively charged and negatively charged ions are known as electrovalent bond. This is the one bond, electrovalent bond, which bind the negatively charged as well as positively charged atoms. This is the electrovalent bond. Electrovalency is the number of charge present on the ions. इलेक्ट्रोवेलेंसी को आप लोग जो है बता सकते हो द चार्ज विच आर प्रेजेंट इन द नंबर ऑफ चार्ज प्रेजेंट ऑन द आयंस. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट आप बोल सकते हो कि दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रोवेलेंस. दिस इज द टॉपिक. Cousel postulation provide the basis for modern concept regarding ion formation by electron transfer and the formation of ionic crystalline compounds. His view have proved to be great value in the understanding and systematizations of the ionic compound. This is given by Cousel postulations. Octet rule. So Cousel and Lewis in 1916 developed a theory on the basis of their rules. Cousel and Lewis in 1916 developed a theory on the chemical combination of atoms. These are known as chemical bonding. Electron theory of chemical bonding. So according to this theory, number of electron जो है हमारे पास, it will lose the electrons or gain the electrons. According to this theory, atoms can combine either by losing the electrons, gaining the electrons, or shedding the electrons, or maybe complete transfer of electron from one atom to another atoms. Means they will complete their octet in their valence cells, जिसे बोला जाता है octet rule. I am repeating this one. Octet rules means according to this law, atoms either form the bond either by losing the electrons, gain the electrons, or share the electrons. Losing the electrons, gaining the electron, or shared by the electrons from one species to another species to complete their octet in the valence cell are known as octet rule.